Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another exciting video, and as you all know, the holidays are right around the corner and we are happy to bring you amazing recipes that will make your holidays special. Today we are making waffles. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Waffles is a very simple recipe that you can make in less than 15 minutes. You can also make them ahead of time and save them in the fridge. Grab them in the morning as a breakfast on the go. You can top them up with your favorite fruit. You can top them up with some ice cream, chocolate dripping, maple syrup, or even honey. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box down below. We'll start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We are going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and then 1 teaspoon of salt. We will mix them all up. That's our dry ingredients, and set them aside. We'll continue by mixing our wet ingredients. Here I start with 1.5 cup of whole milk. You can use any milk of your choice, skim milk, almond milk, any milk of your choice, or even in place of milk you can use water, only that the milk makes it creamier and richer. And then we'll go ahead and add 2 eggs and also 1/3 cup of melted butter. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Yeah, you can use any flavoring of your choice. We'll mix it all up. We'll whisk. We'll mix it all up and then make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. Then we'll go ahead and add our dry ingredients and mix it all together. As I told you earlier, this recipe is a very simple one. Just like that, we are done with the hard work. We are done mixing our butter. So because mixing our butter doesn't take time, you just preheat your waffle maker ahead of time so that by the time you are done it's hot, and then you just grease it with some butter. Then we'll go ahead and add our waffle mix. So now we are just going to leave our waffle maker to do its thing. For mine, when it's ready, the green light is going to turn on, and then voila, our waffles are ready. We are just going to repeat the same process for our remaining butter until we are done, and then we will dish it out. And now my favorite part, our waffles are ready. Let me see you shouting. The flavor and the aroma from this waffles is heavenly. I topped mine with some strawberries and blueberries and honey from Big's Organic Food. I don't know about you, but if you're in Ghana and you're not having honey from Big's Organic Food, your honey is fake. Yes, I said what I said. I served it with some orange juice on the side, homemade of course. I'll be sharing the recipe with you guys soon. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends and family, and even your enemies as well. Leave a comment. I love to hear from you. Until I come your way next time, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay safe, guys.